Go.
Hello, my name is Abraham, and I have many trucks, but they have, and also these two are racing, and also Monster Mount Ride Driver versus Road Fighter.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? When the party was nice, the party was pumping. Yippee-yi-yo. And everybody having a ball. Yippee-yi-yo. I tell all the fellas, start the name calling. Yippee-yi-yo. And the girls, they all respond to the code. On the Bulldog Showdown. Who let the dogs out? 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 I see a little speedboat to coast. She really wants to skip town. Get back off me, back scruffy. Get back, you flea infested mongrel.